Today is my 8th month lock update. Woo! But yeah, I skipped a month. I skipped month 7, and in my video that I posted for month 6, I was at least 4 days before I was about to turn month 7. So that video, I slacked on that video when uploading it. I uploaded it very late. I had been made that video. I can't speak today, guys.
That you had you could you do you want you.
This video, I'm going to show you guys how I retwist with aloe vera gel for the first time, and yeah, let's get into it. In this video, the products that I'll be using is water, which is in the spray bottle. I'm going to also be using an oil, and the gel that I'm using is Lilly of the Desert 99% aloe vera gel. This gel that I got it off Amazon. I think I got 2 of them. It came in packs of 2, and they were cheap. So here I am sectioning my hair to make sure all the flyaways and everything is out the way, and I'm going to apply the gel at the base of my root and make sure it's even all the way around. And I am going to begin to twist my lock around my finger. I do not do the palm roll method. I prefer twisting it, and as you see, I'm going all the way down my lock. So I'm twisting, not really twisting down my lock, but I am making sure the loose strands on the lock are twisted around it, because I don't want my lock to be that puffy or that frizzy. I'm going to do the same thing with each lock. I'm going to make sure that my parting is how I like it, and I'm going to apply the aloe vera gel at the end of my roots, at the base of my roots, and then I am going to start wrapping my lock around my finger and wrap the loose strands around my lock. I am making sure that my lock, when wrapping it around my finger, I'm making sure that it is not too tight. Guys, please make sure that you are not twisting your locks so tight where it's hard to even manage, like your head is throbbing. Don't do that, okay? Guys, do you see how long my locks have grown? And it's only 8 months. Oh my gosh, like, it is unbelievable, and I am so proud of how far I've come. Or yeah, come or came, I don't know. But yeah, I'm so proud of myself. People would have thought that I would not be sticking to this style, because I used to switch my hair up almost all the time, like every week. And this is like, I should have done this a long time ago. I should have had locks a long time ago. That's one thing I do regret. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. So, what I would say about the gel is that it does not have a strong hold to it, like at your root, but it makes my locks feel very moisturized. That's one thing that I like about it. It's not very heavy. As you can see, I'm always forgetting a freaking a pin. But yeah, it's not heavy at all. It's very lightweight. It feels like your hair is very moisturized at the root. Yeah, but it's just not a big hold on it. I'm 8 months locked. I did not do my 7-month lock routine or lock journey update because I don't know, I just felt like skipping a month you could see the actual difference. Excuse my dog. There's front door. Someone's at the front door with the ring. But yeah, skipping a few months you can see the difference between it. It's the mailman. And as you guys can see that it's growing. It's growing a lot. There's nothing crazy that I'm doing to make it grow. It's just doing it on its own. And yours will do it too, okay? You just gotta trust your process. Trust the process and your process with it. And your hair will actually grow, okay? Make sure you're oiling your scalp, keeping your hair moisturized, and that's all that you really need to do. And also retwisting it when you need to retwist it. Don't retwist it too much, because that can cause your hair to thin. So retwist it as much as you need to. And yeah, your babies will grow. Just give it some time. Give it some time, guys. Because, yeah. So I'm going to have another video on how I'm going to style it because I do not want it down. Plus I don't like my hair when it's first retwist down anyway. But yeah, it is getting long. I'm hyped. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And I will see you guys in my next video.